Okay, so we want to simplify this expression here. So I want to start by taking everything out of the brackets first. So starting with the first set of brackets, there's no coefficient here, so we can just take it out as 2a squared minus 2a minus 7. And then comes the second set of brackets. There's a minus sign here, which means we want to make every term the opposite sign. So minus a squared minus minus is plus, 6a minus minus is plus 11. And then we want to group the like terms. So we first notice there's 2a squared and a minus a squared here. So that becomes a squared, and we have a minus 2a and a plus 6a. So we get 4a plus 4a, and then minus 7 plus 11, so plus 4. Okay, and we want to check if this factors. And if you look at the second term, the coefficient is 4, and the third term is 4. Half of 4 is 2, squared is 4. So this can factor into the perfect square form. So a plus 2 squared. And that's it.